In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Suno AI's own voice feature in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a musician, podcaster, or just someone who enjoys experimenting with audio, Suno AI offers a range of creative possibilities. Let's dive in and walk through each step together to make the most of this versatile platform. First things first, you'll need to log into your Suno AI music account. Head over to Suno's website and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up easily through their site. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the user-friendly interface that makes navigating Suno AI a breeze. Look for the Create button prominently displayed on your screen and give that a click. This will take you to the heart of Suno AI, where all the magic happens. Next, you'll see an option labeled Custom. This is where you want to go next. It's designed for those who want to tailor their audio projects with a personal touch. Now, focus your attention on the audio section and select it. This is a crucial step as it enables you to bring in your own voice. You have two main pathways here. You can choose to record your voice directly within the platform by selecting the Record button. When you're ready to go, hit Start. And once you're finished, simply click Stop. This is perfect if you want to capture fresh and original vocals on the spot. Alternatively, if you have a pre-recorded voice clip that you're eager to use, Suno AI makes it easy to upload. Simply locate your file and follow the on-screen prompts to get it uploaded into the system. Once your audio is ready, it's time to get creative. You'll be prompted to enter a description for the lyrics. Think of this as your opportunity to set the tone, style, and thematic elements of your project. Following that, enter another prompt specifying your desired musical style. Whether you fancy pop, jazz, or something more eclectic, this is where you steer the musical direction. With everything in place, it's time to click the Create button and let Suno AI weave its magic. The platform will work its sophisticated algorithms to generate a song using your recorded vocal as the foundation. It's a fascinating process that blends technology with creativity, resulting in a unique audio piece that you can call your own. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've taken your voice and transformed it into something new and exciting, all thanks to Suno AI. Explore, experiment, and most importantly, have fun as you create with your own voice.